I'm going to show you how you can get started with Vtiger. Now, on the Vtiger tutorial here, I'm going to focus on project management. Now, from the onboarding screen here, all you have to do is that you want to pick on projects. Now, on project, you can see on the project features, there's task, subtask, milestone, project, campaign, calendar view, task, timer, running status, and customer view of task on portal. Pick on that and then tap on get started, all right? Now, once you get started, let's just wait for it to load here. Now on here, this is what it will look like on the first place, right? So you can add a task, you can get a task management overview, a couple of project milestone, timer and time logs, and a Gantt chart. This is more like a calendar view here, right? Now I'm going to show you how you can add a task. Now on add a task, you just have to tap on this and then you can name your task. So for example, I want to name my task called deadline here, right? So deadline, and then it's assigned to myself, example contact, and the estimate is around 50 minutes. So 50 like this. And then do the date and time. Since it's a deadline, just going to put it on around here, 15th of April. And the stage is do here, right? So do completed. Of course, it's a do list. On the priority, it's high, medium, or low. Let's just keep it on high. And then for the checklist item, we can get it on the content, learning, or sales. So we're just going to keep it on checklist item. The task type is a checklist item, right? You can view the full form if I like, but I'm just going to tap on save like this. Now, let's just wait for it to load. Now, this is what it will look like. It may look a little complicated, but once you get to know the UI, it's actually pretty simple here, right? So it's assigned to myself here. The previous task, there's no previous task. There's no parent task. There's no start and date, say start time. But if you want to set that, just tap on the icon here, edit, and then you can set it like this. So save like this. Now, it'll copy load and then look like that, right? Now, the running status is in progress. The estimate, you can also set an estimate if you like. So the estimate is around maybe 10 minutes instead. So 10 minutes like this. Now, once it's saved, you'll see it'll look like this. There's a due date and time. There's a time lock as well. There's also subtasks you can add to it. So subtasks is like, for example, there's a deadline. And then under it, there's another deadline here, right? So there's something you can do. If you're done checking it out, you can go back here. Now, you'll see the UI will turn like this, right? If you want to add another task, tap like this, add task. There's also other menus that you can explore here as well. Like right now, we're on projects here, right? But there's other menus like marketing, sales, help desk, inventory, surface task, tools, and things like that. But for projects, and of course, it'll be tasks, project milestone, projects, and also all the other things here as well, like time logs and reports. If you want to head on over here, you can also add a project here if you like. So tap on add project here. So there's a project name. Maybe the project name is called building here, right? So building. There's also a status here, like new, started, in progress, waiting for feedback, on hold, completed, delivered, archive, things like these, right? Maybe in progress. You can add a start date, a target end date. Now all of the menu will be roughly like that, right? So just explore and then get comfortable with the whole program here.